Howdy ho, mad scientists. Welcome once again to the Mad Science Lab. We are so glad you're here. Now today we're going to be talking about women in excellence, and our woman in excellence that we've chosen for today is Dr. Antonia Demagante Brock. She's a brilliant research scientist in the area of agronomy, and you're just going to love meeting her, so here you go.
Hello, mad scientists. My name is Dr. Antonia Demagante Brock, but you can call me Dr. Tater. When I was young, I lived in a country called the Philippines. I studied hard and got to become a special kind of scientist called an agronomist. An agronomist is a scientist that studies and perfects agriculture or farming crops. My favorite plant to study is the potato. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's talk about where potatoes come from. Do you know where potatoes come from? And sometimes the things that scientists learn are used to help people all over the world. One of my favorite teachers was Dr. Peter van der Zag.
Yeah. I've had about 30 graduate students,
Uh-huh.
and she'd be one of the top two.
Wow.
Yeah, one of the top two. Yeah.
Okay.
So for this experiment, we're going to need 4 different pots, all filled with soil. All right, mad scientists, it's been 2 weeks and we're here to check back on our potatoes. So first of all, being a scientist that studies farming can be very difficult work. Every day I had to wake up really early and wear a special outfit that made sure that I didn't get burned in the sun. In fact, this is how I would dress to go into my lab, the potato field. I'm going to show you a picture of a potato, and I want you to help me guess what part of the world it might grow best. Ready? Is that no matter who you are or where you come from, you can become a scientist, and you can change the world.
Because there are so many ways that you can actually grow potatoes.
Really?
So many. What we grow is what we eat, the tubers, we call them the tubers. I have some of them I have to plant. But hey, why plant them when you can eat them?
Yeah.
Yes.
No? Okay, don't take a picture of me.
I'm not taking a picture of you.
No.
I'm not taking a picture of you. Okay, so this is what I picked up. With my limited research, this is what I picked up.
I'm not talking.
Oh, come on.
No.
Well,
No, because.
you think I'm videoing.
Yes.